Viewers, welcome to my channel. Marvel fashion trends, I create beautiful video. Chinese flower arrangement ideas. Please like and subscribe my channel. Love is the poetry of the soul. You are my today and all of my tomorrows. In your smile, I see my forever. Forever starts with you. You're my favorite hello and hardest goodbye. Home is wherever I'm with you. Love is not what you say, it's what you do. With you, I am complete. My heart beats for you. You are my sunshine on a cloudy day. Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite. I found my missing piece in you. Hold my hand, hold my heart. I still fall for you every day. Your love is my greatest adventure. I choose you, always. You are the best part of me. Love grows where trust is planted. You are the reason I believe in love. With you, life feels magical. My heart is yours forever and always. Your voice is my favorite sound. I loved you then, I love you now. Your love is my anchor. You're the calm in my chaos. Love is when you feel at home in someone's heart. You make my heart smile. One soul, two hearts. You're my heart's favorite place. Love is the bridge between two hearts. You are my forever person. Where there is love, there is life. I am yours, don't give me back. You're the dream I never want to wake from. Your love is my happy place. With you, everything feels right. You complete me in every way. I see my future in your eyes. Love is the only language I need with you. Forever isn't long enough with you. You are the melody in my heart. I'd choose you in every lifetime. You're the reason behind my smile.